Hello, wonderful people, we make easy money. Yes, you heard right. Ways to make money without leaving your home, sipping your coffee or tea at your desk. Imagine no traffic, no rush, just you and your comfortable setup making money. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. It will inspire you, excite you, and maybe even change your life a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more fun stuff like this. What are online jobs and why are they so awesome? Picture this. You wake up in the morning, but instead of rushing to work, you grab a drink, sit down, and plan your day your way. Online jobs give you that freedom. You can work from home, a cafe, or anywhere with Wi-Fi. You decide your hours, morning, afternoon, or late night. It's all up to you. Plus, the internet is full of opportunities. Writing, designing, teaching, selling stuff, you name it. It's not just about money. It's about finding what you love and making it work for you. How do you start with online jobs? Let's break it down. Okay, let's look at some easy online jobs you can try. I'll explain each one step by step so you can pick what feels right for you. Here we go. Freelance writing. Writing stuff for cash. You write articles, ads, or posts for websites, blogs, or companies. Like, someone might ask you to write 300 words about their cool new product. Sign up on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Make a profile. Say something like, I write fun, simple stuff. Add a couple of examples, even if they're just practice, then wait for people to hire you. Start small, like $5, $10 for 500 words. If you're new, maybe $100, $200 a month. But if you get good and work with people abroad like writing in English, you could make $500, $1,000 a month. Anyone who likes words and has ideas to share. Social media manager running accounts. You manage someone's Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, posting cool pics, writing captions, and growing their followers. Use free tools like Canva to make pics super easy, even on your phone. Then go to Fiverr and offer something like, I'll post 3 times a week for $100 a month. Chat with clients online. It's that simple. Maybe $50, $150 per account. If you handle 3 to 4 accounts, that's $200, $600 a month. People who love scrolling social media and have a creative side. Online teaching or selling courses. You teach something you know, like English, drawing, cooking, or even fun photography, by making videos and selling them. Sign up on Udemy or Teachable. Record simple videos with your phone. Maybe cook yummy cookies in 5 days, sell it for $10, $20. Don't worry if it's not perfect at first, you'll get better. If 50 people buy your $15 course, that's $750. Plus, you make it once and sell it forever. That's passive income. Anyone who knows something cool and likes sharing it. E-commerce selling stuff online. You open an online store and sell things. Handmade stuff like bracelets or products you buy cheap and sell higher. Dropshipping. Set up a shop on Shopify or Etsy. It's easy. For dropshipping, find cheap items on AliExpress like a $3 necklace, listed for $10 on your store. When someone buys, you order it for them. No storage needed. With 3 to 5 sales a day, you could make $200, $400 a month. Grow it bigger, and it could be thousands. People who like shopping or selling. Surveys and small tasks. You answer questions for companies or do tiny jobs. Join sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Spend an hour a day filling out surveys. No skills needed. Around $50, $150 a month. Not huge, but easy pocket money. Anyone with free time looking for something simple. You might be thinking, how do I even start? I've never done this, but trust me, everyone starts from zero. Even earning $5 your first time is a win. Online jobs aren't just cash. They give you confidence and freedom. Imagine sipping tea at home, doing what you enjoy, and seeing money roll in. That's not a dream. It's something you can totally do. Easy tips to win. Start small. Don't aim big right away. Write 1 post or do 1 survey. Keep learning. Watch free YouTube videos, like how to use Canva. Be patient. You might earn less at first, but it grows with time. Connect. Post online. Hey, I do this. People will find you. Your turn now, guys. Online jobs are for everyone. Writing, social media, teaching, selling, whatever you pick, there's a way for you. Start with $50 a month, and in a year, you could be making hundreds or more. Loved this? Drop a comment, share with friends, and say, I'm starting to. I'll be back next week with more ideas. Until then, believe in yourself and take that first step.